Hey, this is Jay with Fresh Vintage. I'm here at SEMA 2022.
Hey, how's it going? This is Marco Ortiz at our Benpack SEMA 2022 booth. Here we have the 2-post portable MaxJax lifts. Here we have the 2-post portable MaxJax lifts, 6,000 pound capacity, running at 110 volt electric over hydraulic. Great mid-rise lift, mini 2-post lift. Will give you a 45-inch lifting capacity. We'll handle just about tire rotations, brake jobs, transmission jobs. It's powered by a 110 volt electric over hydraulic power unit with a portable cart. Comes with quick disconnect hydraulic lines, so there's no wrenching. You can just quick and plug and play, ready to use. 6,000 pound capacity. The neat part about it, it comes with female recessed anchor bolts that get embedded in the concrete. Every time you're going to use the lift, you set it on the bolt pattern, bolt on the columns. At that point, you're able to use the lift. Once you're done using it, you can stow them out of the way, and you can still park your vehicle inside your garage.